Nandana Prabhu ki today is special day. Today is special day. আজকে হচ্ছে বিশেষ দিন. Today is special day not for we are celebrating Govardhan Puja. Today is special day not for we are circumambulating. Today is special day because we are having special devotee like His Grace Yoginandan Prabhu ki. We can see in Srimad Bhagavatam tells us this human form is very, very rare. But even rarer than that is having association of pure devotee like His Grace Yoganandan Prabhu. So we are very, very fortunate. We are having in this evening Prabhuji. His Grace Yoganandan Prabhu ki. So let's welcome Prabhuji by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Now last thing I would like to say, আমরা যদি পূর্ণ সুফল লাভ করতে চাই আমাদের অবশ্যই করণীয় প্রভুর সাথে একাগ্র চিত্তে এই হরিনাম সংকীর্তনে অংশগ্রহণ করা। কৃষ্ণ জগন্নাথ প্রভু কি শ্রী প্রভুপাদ কি দেখো প্রেমানন্দ।
Jai Giri Govardhan ki. The hill is so beautiful, Prabhu. Very, very nice. Very nice. And Govardhan is smiling, so he's very happy. He's happy because of all the devotees. That's why. Very nice.